am using 0.6 millimeters, another 0.8 millimeters square beads. So I have my cord here. I would take 4 beads. I have thread 3, and I'll bring them down to the middle and make the working thread, which is the one in my right, the one on my right. I'll make it a bit longer than that of the left. I'll bend this one, the right one, like this. I hope you can see, and then pass it through the 4th bead. So we are going to have something like this, and then you pass the left through it. So you should have something like this. Then gently pull the right. So we have made a knot, and that knot is hidden here. That will make the work very firm. So we will pick the 3 beads, we put one on the right and then one on the left, and you add. Then again you make the knot. Then you pick 3 beads again. So you repeat this step till you get your desired length. So all along we were going straight, picking 3 beads. Now we want to make a 10. We are making a 10. So again we will pick 3 beads, and with the right we will thread all 3. So we are no longer going straight. Now we are somewhere here. We have turned. So with the right again, I would pick 3. We are now going straight, but this time around we will enter these beads one after the other. But anytime you enter one bead, you have to add 2. So the left will enter the red, and the right will add 2 beads. Then left again goes through the whites, and right picks 2 beads. You see how easy it is. So I will continue and then come for us to make another 10. So this is where we are. The left will enter the blue, and then you turn it like this. So the left entered the blue. I will turn it for the left to now be my right. I hope you bab. Then the right now picks 2 beads. So when I made the 10, I flipped it over, so the left became my right. If I want to end, I don't cut from here. If you cut it, yes, the work is firm, it is all right, but this one, it will not be as firm as these ones. And so I would go through like this. So from the green I would go into the blue, and then into the yellow, into the red, and into the red or yellow. If you want to add, then you put it where you ended it. Then you continue. We are coming to build the body. You can decide to build these ones separately and then put them together. I will share a video with you on that. So from here we will be picking the beads only with the right. So from here we will add 3 beads. Enter the next bead down. So we are attaching the body to the foundation. Then we add 2 beads. It is as simple as that. So when you get here, where we started from here, when you get here, the left will enter this peach or coral, and then enter this sea blue. And because we have 3 here, we will add 1 bead. Then when you step up, you add 3 beads. So we are going to add 3 beads, and the rest you enter and add 2 beads. My cord is becoming short, and so how I taught you to end it when we were doing the foundation, that is how I am going to end, and then add a new one to it. I'll put it through this white and then this white again, and make the working thread a bit longer. Then I begin by picking 2 beads. So when you get to where you started it, you add 1 bead, and then you add 3 to step up. Then from there you enter and add 2 beads. I hope you have understood. So by the time you see me, I would have finished with the project. Stay safe, and please subscribe if you have not done so. Okay, invite others to also come and learn from this page. So finally, this is the project. This is how I completed it. I made it 7 stairs, 7 against 8. The base was 8, this side was 8 by 4 by 7. That is how I made it. And this one, I'm not going to keep this, but I want to show you, if you make something like this, what you can keep in. This is mine. Yes, this is what I am using current. This is for a friend and this is mine, so you can make it any length, but if it's going to be for something small, it doesn't have to be big. So until I come again onto your doorsteps with another exciting yet educative lesson, stay safe. God loves you. Love others and keep praying and hoping in the Lord for that miracle. Bye bye.